Alright, good morning, it's Sean Leach here, doing this live video from the gym to have a little chat about something which a lot of you might be experiencing right now, and it's all about how to get out of this slump of not being bothered to get back in the routine. I've been hearing from a few of my clients from when before lockdown who, are trying to get themselves psyched up to get back into doing some kind of training again. Maybe it's been a good couple of months since you've done something properly, and it's kind of at that moment where you're feeling like, I can't be bothered to get back in a routine, or feel back to square one, or you feel like you may as well just be fat and just give up. Like, who cares? It's been that long. It's a little bit like when you come back from holiday. You've had 2 weeks of like eating and drinking, except this has been like 2 months worth of eating and drinking. And fine well, when you come back from holiday, it's always hard to get back into that first 1 or 2, and there's no easy way out of it. And the simple and the best way to put it is, when you come back from your holiday, the only thing you can do is just get that first workout done. Just get in there, just go, do something, anything, because once you've done just that little bit of anything, something, it doesn't have to be the best workout in the world, just something to get your energy going, ignite that routine again. A lot of the girls who come back into our outdoor workouts this past week, it's been great fun, and a lot of them have had a few weeks off, or even the full lockdown off, some of them, and they're all reporting now, alongside a lot of stiffness, that they feel so much better for getting back into it, and now they're booking in more and more and more, because you get that buzz, you get that bug back right away just after one. It only takes one workout, and it might be a little bit hard to begin with, and you might feel a little bit stiff the next day, or you probably will feel stiff the next day, but it doesn't get any easier leaving it longer. Simply put, you've got to get that first workout done. If you're thinking of how much you're going to struggle right now, imagine how it's going to be if you leave it in a couple of months, or even a couple of months, or we'll keep a couple of more months. Can't get my words out. So the best thing to do is just get that first one done. I mean, we've made it so easy to get people started right now. We've put up a big timetable, lots of different time options, pay-as-you-go classes. It just takes that one class for a tiny payment, and you're off to the races, and you can do whatever you want again. And because, especially if you've been training for a good period of time, like a lot of our clients have, my arm before lockdown, it only takes like a week to get back into that routine, and you start to feel better again, and you feel back to normal. It's not as bad as what it really feels like right now. You might be thinking that it's going to be the hardest thing ever, and you're back to square one, but if you've been doing a good decent amount of training up until lockdown and then had a rest, then you'll probably find after about a week or so, you'll be back to square one again, back to normal again, back like you haven't even left the gym, and it comes back quicker than you think, and it's not as hard as you might think that it is. A lot of it is just up in your head, and it's psychological. So if you're interested in starting to get back into a routine, back into lifting weights again, we've made it super easy. Just shoot me a message. We've got some time options going into next week at our brand new gym here in Holystone. It's just small groups up to 5, everything's cleaned, and it's a distance training, it's fully safe, and it's really just light-hearted training. We're not doing anything major serious. I understand, my arm is shaking. I understand that it's most people have been out for a little while. What am I doing? Most people have been out for a little while, so we're just going to ease back into it with some good weight training. Start from the basics and just work your way up, and after a week or so, it'll be like you never left. So just shoot me a message. There should be a message button below, or you can just contact the page if you want to jump on board these classes. But the thing to take away from this is just to start, just do that first workout, and it'll be like you never left within a week or so. Hope that helps. Bye bye.